Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Ashman and welcome back to WAKO Beauty YouTube channel. How you guys doing? Is it good? Is it great? So this is the first video ever on this channel. I'm so excited. Woohoo! Before we go even further with this video, I would like to introduce myself. In case if you guys don't know who I am, like you guys are thinking like, who is this man with full coverage makeup on his face? So in case if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Ashman and I am a small beauty social influencer on Instagram and also YouTube, and I am 23 years old. I live in Kelantan, Kota Baru, Kelantan. So So yeah, for today's video, I'm gonna be talking about what's new, what's hot on WAKOBEAUTY.com website. Some of you guys may not know what is WAKO Beauty. WAKO Beauty is a website that sells a bunch of brands from kbeauty. You guys can find Cosrx, you guys can find Ordinary, Skin 1004, Baru Lab. They have so many good brands for you guys to choose from. That's my job today, to tell you guys what's new, what's hot for you to get. And also Raya just around the corner. We still have left like a few more days until Raya. I've created this makeup look right here, as you guys can see, very like full coverage, very glam and very glowy. And in order to achieve this type of glam, you need to have a good skincare. And let me tell you, my skin is so rough, it's so like full of texture, but with the help of skincare, with the help of good products underneath of the makeup, your makeup will appear so much better even though you have a rough skin. So before we begin, make sure you guys to hit the subscribe button down here below. It's all free, you don't need to pay me any money. Just subscribe down here below and also hit the like button if you enjoy watching me talking, and if you want me to do a lot more videos on this channel, like this video. But without further ado, let's jump into the video. So the first thing first that I'm going to be talking about is this product. I've been using this product like for so long. They sent me like last year, and since the first day I got them, I was like falling in love with them because it is so freaking good. It is a Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Light Cleansing Oil. So I've been using this cleansing oil for almost a year now, and I love this one so freaking much. It is one of my top favorite oil cleansing to break down all of the makeup. And based on what you see right now, I'm wearing full coverage beat glam on my face. By using like normal makeup remover, it's hard for me to take everything off in a second, so I need something that powerful enough to take everything off within a second. So this is a solution. I'm gonna demonstrate to you guys how it works, but I'm not gonna use this one because this one is my backup one. I'm gonna use my old one, which is this, like so dusty and like, you know, busted already, but it's okay. I love this one so much. I have this makeup on the back of my hand from me doing the look on my face. I have this eyeshadow primer, eyeliner, we got this glitter things on top of eyelid, and all of these are like hard and also waterproof products. So let me show you guys how it works. By the way, it has a lock here so that you don't spill it while you're traveling. That's a good thing. I'm gonna put a bit of at the back of my hand. So this is a texture, and I'm gonna rub it. Everything starts to come off. See, all the glitters, all the waterproof primer, the eyeliner. So as you guys can see, everything is off. Okay, everything is off, everything is gone within seconds. Hey guys, this is just a little demonstration how it works and also the actual performance on the face. Look at how good it melted down everything on the face, and you can also use on the lips, on the eyes. It's safe all over the face. Look how good it is. Oh my god, I'm so loving it so freaking much. This is my favorite ever. So the next thing we are going to be talking about, which is the toner. So I use toner as my first step when I'm doing my skincare routine and also when I'm doing my makeup, because toner helps to balance out the pH levels of your skin, so it remains the moisture in your skin pretty nicely. And this one is by a brand called FFLOW. It's by Oilsoo, which is, this one is the Calming Skin Toner. And can we talk about the packaging? I love kbeauty products. The packaging is like super simple and super nice. I like it, I love it. This brand was created by a beauty editor, and this toner actually gains a good balance between oil and also water, which is moisture level in your skin, and it is so good for all skin type like I mentioned just now. This toner does not have like a harmful and also like strong fragrance in it. The smells of it is really nice, really calming, really like soothing type of smell. And in case if you guys don't know what Oilsoo mean, it is mean oil water balance, and this product is free from harmful ingredient, good for your skin. Once again, good for your skin. I love it. So after we are done with the toner, we let everything absorb into the skin. So now we are going to be moving on to this serum right here. So this one is the Perfect Ampoule Serum Oxygen Refresh Anti-Stress from 9 Wishes. So this serum does come with a dropper, as you guys can see, and the texture of it is like not too liquidy, not too thick. It's like the perfect consistency for serum, and the oxygen is going to help you to refresh your skin. It works as an anti-stress for your skin, and also it revives revitalize and also nourishing your skin. And it also infused with 77% of carbonated water instead of water. Not only that, it also helps you to strengthen the skin barrier to protect skin from fine dust particles and also external aggressors. This product formulated with 5000 milligrams of galactomyces ferment filtrate for skin revitalizing. So let me make it clear, even though you have oily or dry combination, any type of skin, moisturizer is a must for you to wear every single day. After you're washing your face, put on moisturizer immediately before your skin get irritated and infected from any harmful thing in your environment. I've been doing makeup for a couple of years now, and I do receive a few questions from people that ask me how to get a flawless base, because in my videos I use a lot of powders. I bake my face, I use face powder, I use loose powder, highlighting powder, contour powder. I use a lot of powder, and powder is my best friend. Powder is gonna make you feel a bit of, by bit I mean a lot, okay, a lot of uncomfortable on your face. Based on my experience, in order to make sure your makeup looks flawless with a lot of powders on your face, is to use a really hydrating, a really thick moisturizer underneath of the makeup. And trust me, by doing this, it helps your makeup to melt down, to sink. My recent favorite moisturizer to use underneath of the makeup is this, and my recent favorite is this one, and this is the Barusul Expert Repair Self Cream from Baru Lab. A little bit of background of Baru Labs. This company has 20 years of experience in beauty business. That's a really long time. This moisturizer, it contains Defensal Plus, which is good for eczema. Defensal Plus is a soothing anti-inflammatory used as first aid in sensitive skin. It protects and replenishing the damaged skin barrier, reduce allergic reaction, reduce tissue damage resulting from mosquito bite, assists the skin after shaving and epilation, and helps alleviate atopic eczema. It also helps to soothe new pimple, which is good. I have a lot of acne on my face, so it's gonna soothe everything and let everything calm in place. So create a skin barrier, which is my main reason why I use this cream as my moisturizer underneath of the makeup, because it creates a barrier. It protects my skin from the makeup to absorb into the skin, which is good. It contains squalane as a moisturizing agent, and also ceramide as a skin barrier, and sea buckthorn oil as a purifying and also nourishing for your skin. So last but not least, the final product that I'm going to be showing you guys in today's video, which is this. It's a First Lab Probiotic Sun Cream SPF 50 plus with PA4 pluses. That's a lot of pluses, okay? If you want to choose a good sunscreen, you have to look at two factors, which is the first one is the higher numbers of the SPF of it, and also the amount of PA pluses in the product, which means the higher the number, the better the sunscreen works on your skin. And also the higher the PA pluses, it's gonna work great on your skin. You have to be aware when it comes to buying sunscreen. Some of the products out there, they put a higher amount of SPF in the sunscreen, but the pluses on it gone. So you don't want that. That's not gonna work that much on your skin. So if you want to find a good sunscreen, get both part in higher quantity. This product is a physical sunscreen. It prevents aging and also dark spot on your skin. It helps to control the oil on your skin, so it's good for someone who has an oily skin. And it contains probiotic. In case if you don't know what probiotic is, go look at Vitagen, okay? Vitagen the drink, because the ingredients are the same as Vitagen, and the ingredient in Vitagen is good for your guts. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, make sure you guys to hit the subscribe button down here below, and also hit the like button so that I know that you guys are enjoyed watching me talking to you guys. If you want to see me how I did this look right here, and please go ahead to my Instagram, because I'm going to be uploading a video on how I did this look right here. I love it so freaking much. It looks so freaking good, and thanks to the skincare that I was using. And don't forget to follow WAKO Beauty on Instagram, because they do upload photos every single day, share a lot of tips about skincare, so go and follow them on Instagram. If you want to buy something from wakobeauty.com, make sure you guys to go ahead on their website, which is wakobeauty.com, or you can buy all of the products that I mentioned today on Shopee. Lagi senang, like much more easier for you to buy, right, on Shopee. So go and get them. Alright, so I think enough of rambling. That is it for today's video. So I would like to wish happy Ramadan to everyone, and also Selamat Hari Raya. Raya is just around the corner for those Muslims out there. Selamat Hari Raya. And yeah, everyone, please stay at home. Also take care of your hygienity. Always wash your hands, always use hand sanitizer, and also wear facial mask everywhere you go. I think that is it. I'll see you guys in the future videos. My name is Ashman. Goodbye and have a nice day. Adios amigos. Bye bye.